Hello everyone, it's Dale here with a new day trading analysis. Today I'll talk about the ES, which is futures for the S&P 500 index. Before you see the 30-minute time frame of the ES, and this is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. Now I want to talk about this downtrend, which started yesterday, and if I use volume profile over this downtrend to look into the volume distribution within the downtrend, then you can see that there is a heavy volume zone that stands out in this area. This heavy volume zone is telling us that sellers who were pushing the price downwards were active here, adding to their short positions here, and then they continued to push the price even lower. So that's why I think that this should work as a strong resistance. Because when the price makes a pullback to this level, those sellers are likely to defend this zone because clearly it is important for them because they placed a lot of their shorts there and they'll want to push the price downwards from there again. Alright, so this is the volume profile setup that points us to this resistance. Now, apart from this volume profile setup, there's also price action setup. If you look in here, the price bounced off this zone in the past, which means that this zone worked as a support in the past. This was a support zone. When the price blew past that support zone, the support turned into a resistance. This is what happens when a significant support gets breached. It becomes a resistance. Alright, this is a price action setup that I like to use, especially as a combo with volume profile setups. So that's the reasoning why I think that this should work as a resistance and why I'll be trading shorts from here. Now currently the US session is just starting, and that means that heavy volumes are going to get traded in here. This means that VWAP and its first deviation, those are the first deviations, and I'm talking mostly about this one, it's most likely going to drop because the price is below the first deviation, and currently this is the US session, so volumes are likely to be heavier during the US session, and that will make the first deviation go down. If at the same time the price makes pullback to this level and the first deviation is somewhere around the area of that resistance, then the first deviation will add strength to that level. Alright? So to make it clear, I'm not saying that the first deviation must drop and meet with price in here, but if it does, then it will add strength to that level. Alright, so now we just need to wait for that pullback, and when the price reaches this zone, the ideal thing to do is open the order flow software and wait for confirmation. If you don't have order flow or don't know how to use it, then you can just simply enter the short from here, but with order flow, chances are you'll have better trade entry, better win rate, and possibly bigger profit. So that's my take on the ES. I hope you guys liked the analysis. If you are interested in learning more about volume profile trading or order flow trading, then I recommend visiting my website. So this is it, trader-dale.com. And if you click this button in here, it will take you to a special page. As you can see, I'm currently running a special Halloween sale, and that means you can get all my educational and indicator packs massively discounted in here. You can buy them separately, or below that there's a combo of all 3 packs massively discounted. So check those packs and indicators out. There are videos that will show you everything that's included in those packs, so check them out. The sale will be ending on 31st of October, which is in a couple of days. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. Until then, happy trading!